To set Google Chrome as your default browser on an Android device, you need to adjust a few settings in your phone's system menu. This ensures that all web links you open from emails, messages, or apps automatically launch in Chrome instead of another browser. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, sometimes labeled as Apps and Notifications, depending on your phone model. This section manages all installed applications and their permissions. Inside the Apps menu, look for and select Choose Default Apps. This option controls which apps your device uses by default for different actions. Tap on Browser app and you will see a list of installed browsers on your device. From the list, select Chrome. Once selected, Chrome will immediately become your default browser. After completing these steps, any web link you tap, whether in social media apps, SMS messages, email clients, or documents, will automatically open in Google Chrome. So that's how you set Google Chrome as your default browser on Android. Now all your links will open in Chrome automatically for a smoother experience. Thanks for watching.